Hey there, Tom Funds. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Lookee sleep ring. So super cool. What makes this ring different than all the other ones out there? There's Whoop armband, Amazon now has one, Aura rings, there's all sorts of stuff. But the thing that I really appreciate about this product is the fact that it measures your O2 levels. So how well are you breathing? It's actually really funny. I have friends, family members that have really struggled with sleep problems, and what they realized was they just weren't breathing. They had sleep apnea, maybe they had allergies, things like that. And so your O2 levels, how you're breathing while you're recovering, matters a lot. And so this can actually measure that and tell you how oxygenated your blood is while you're sleeping. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. This here, oh no, we're gonna slide that out. There we go. There it is. Let's go with it. It's pretty simple. Guide, warranty, box, charging cable, and here it is. So just slide that on there, and there you go. So it is a little larger, of course, than like most other rings, but I really don't think this would really get in the way while sleeping. And it's definitely comfortable. I don't really feel it around my thumb at all. So super cool. Definitely check out. If you're having trouble sleeping, I would definitely recommend an O2 monitor, something like that. That gives you a little bit more data, and not just tells you if you're rolling around, but actually tells you what's going on inside. And I cannot wait to try this out, and I can't wait to see you on the next one.